Agile on the Beach, New Zealand for 2026 is a little bit different to the 3 that we've held before. Agile on the Beach, by its very nature, is intended to be by the sea. This conference is going to be by Lake Taupō, which is large enough that it actually has tides. It's that big a body of water. And it does have a number of beaches. So the venue that we've chosen, which is the Hilton Lake Taupō, actually oversees one of those bays where there is a beach. So that's a distinct difference. I think one of the other key evolutions in the model, perhaps, is seeing, in terms of the topics that are coming through, more people wanting to talk about or interested in talking about the influence of AI in our community and what it means to our profession, how much it can help us, but not be a crutch.